Okay, this is a 160cc KOMET K30. It's got a brand new 60.05 millimeter piston, factory K30 hollow rod. Got all the goodies. It's got the billet cover there and a nice beautiful chain guard. We're selling this bad boy for $2,800. With a carburetor, it goes out the door at 32. You get your choice of methanol or gas. Comes with a header. Comes with the ignition. Just like you see it bolted on the cart. Get yourself a frame mount. You can bolt this bad boy together. We're going to put a package deal together. Package deal will be a brand new Berco axle clutch 2-disc. Brand new. With this little KOMET, we're going to throw that whole package together for, you ready? With a carb, with a Berco clutch new, $4,500. This is only going to last this month. If you don't take it this month, everything goes back up to where it should be. This is a special for the month.